How about creating a 2-cavity mold for this project? On the iMold toolbar, click on the Layout Designer and select Add Layout from the menu. The Add Layout Property Manager page will be displayed. We can check the option to preview the part for a better overview in the graphics area. Let's choose Balanced, Horizontal Layout option. Adjust the parameters accordingly. Click OK to accept and close the Property Manager. Let's review the design so far. We can hide the items which we won't be needing for now. And do a save project, just in case.